emergency warning system. This is only a test.
This is only the creepiest thing you'll ever hear in your life. Okay. I'm so excited I'm bouncing. I've been waiting all month to do this video. Just listen to the creepiness.
This is a test. This is a test of the Texas Emergency Warning System. This is only a test.
So the sirens last on average 2 minutes. About. I could still hear them going off in the distance. I don't know how well the camera's picking up on that. But not the camera, the video recorder. I don't know how well it's picking up on it.
This is a test. This is a test of the Texas Emergency Warning System. This is only a test.
My hand is shaking so bad because it scares me, but it excites me at the same time. Alright, I don't know why I felt the need to record this and put it on YouTube, but isn't my backyard nice? It looks dead. Yes, dead backyards. Woohoo! Well, I hope you enjoyed the sirens. I would show my... Oh god.
This is a test of the Texas Emergency Warning System. This is only a test.
There's a house right in front of the sirens, and I feel seriously bad for them. Let's hope they're at work right now, or something. Well, hey look, it's my reflection. Well, I hope you enjoyed the sirens, and I will, yeah, bye.